Welcome to our product review of the mini-size 6090 fiber laser cutting machine by ACCTEK. Your perfect partner for precise, fast, and efficient metal cutting. This compact laser cutter offers a working area of 600 by 1000 mm and comes with powerful laser options ranging from 1000 to 2000 watts. Capable of cutting stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and many other metals up to 6 mm thick. With high-speed cutting capabilities of up to 70 meters per minute, Taiwan-made servo motors, and premium guide rails, this machine guarantees smooth, accurate cuts with minimal deformation. Its water cooling system allows continuous 24-hour operation, making it perfect for both small workshops and industrial use. Plus, with 3 years warranty, lifetime support, and easy operation via the AO3 Tech Controller, you get unmatched value and peace of mind. Ready to boost your metalworking efficiency? Click the link below to buy now and transform your workshop today.